Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get in contact with Wix support and also go over some of the resources that Wix also have. So as you're editing your site, there may be something that you're not sure of, or even if you are trying to look for something in the settings section, you might not be able to find it or you're just not sure how to use it. With the plan that you have, Wix does come with a free, with like premium support, so you'll be able to contact the Wix support and they'll be able to talk you through any of the issues that you're having. So to do that, what you want to do is just log into your dashboard, and you see you've got the dashboard here, and you've got all the home and account settings here. So there's different ways to get support from Wix. If you go up to the Help tab here, you can see Wix have an extensive range of resources available. They have articles, and they also have videos as well. So if you have like a common sort of question or a common sort of issue, it might be faster to just get an answer from one of the articles. You can actually search by articles. So for example, if you want to know how to upgrade plan, you can search for that here, and they'll show you articles related to that, and then you can go through and see which article kind of will be able to help you, or edit contact form, for example. If you're having trouble editing your contact form, you can. So it's really easy to find answers for common questions that you may have. So I recommend trying this first to see if you can find an article that can help you with your issue here. They also have lots of they also have it separated by common topics, things like managing your business, promoting your site, account and billing, things like that. So it might be quicker just to use the Help Center and just see if there's an article there that can help you with finding answer for whatever problem that you might have. If for some reason you can't find the answer that you need in the articles or the topics or the videos, the other option is to contact Wix directly and actually get an answer from a Wix representative. So if you scroll down to the help section, you can see there's a button that says Contact Us. And basically they'll ask you a few questions as to what your issue is. They will recommend some articles that might help. And if those don't help, then they will put you in contact with a Wix expert. So for example, we have the Wix bot here. It's just asking to pick a topic that you're having issues with. If none of the topics really match what you're having issues with, you can do other. But we can just do, for example, Wix stores as an example of what we're having an issue with. It will then ask you to give a brief kind of description of what you need. For example, trouble editing products. And you can do really anything that you're having an issue with regarding Wix. If it's even like editing the site, you just want to type in exactly what you're having an issue with. And then they'll be able to help you out, basically. So it'll ask you basically a few more questions as to what your problem is. So you just want to go through and just explain what you're having trouble with. So they will offer an article, and you can read the full article and see if that helps. If your problem isn't solved, you just want to type in no. And then it will ask you, and then it will put you in contact with a customer care assistant. And it's up to you. There's two ways to do it. You can either request a callback, meaning that someone will actually phone you, and then you'll be able to talk to a real person on the phone and talk them through exactly what you're having issues with. Or you can start a live chat. This is usually the quicker option. A live chat will start instantly, and you'll be able to type in and tell your customer care team to see what the actual issue is. Request a callback may take some time. Right now it's showing 3 minutes. It shouldn't take longer than anything longer than 10 minutes, but it can because there's usually this is usually a more popular option. So live chat might be quicker, but sometimes it doesn't show that much time either. So it's up to you. If you decide to join a live chat, it'll start instantly. If you decide to do a request to callback, then they will ask you for a phone number to call you back on. So if you do request my callback now, it'll ask you for a number But if you were to do a live chat, it will just start a live chat window instantly, and then you can talk to advisor. But that's really it. That's all you need to do in terms of getting help. So you can either use the resources and look for a video or an article that might help you with your issue. And if you still can't find any help on that, then I recommend just calling Wix or getting in touch with Wix and see if there's a way for them to fix any of your issues that you might have. But yeah, hope that helps. Any questions, let us know.